How to create a Steam account. First, everyone will open a web browser. Next, everyone will go to the website store.steampower.com. Then everyone selects Login. Everyone will select Create an account. Next, everyone will enter their email address and confirm the email address. After entering the email address, everyone checks I am human. Check the box I am 13 years of age or older and agree to the terms of Steam. Then select Continue. An email will be sent to your email address. Everyone will go to their email inbox to verify that this email address belongs to them. As you can see, I have received an email from Steam and I click on it. Everyone selects Verify my email address. After verifying the email address, everyone will go back to the account creation page. Now, everyone will enter their Steam account name and the password. After entering the Steam account name and password, everyone selects Done. Just like that, we have successfully created a Steam account. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all very much.